L'impératif. So here are our notes for this weekend. So let's look at our examples. We need to figure out what form of the verb are we using. Prends un limonade. Prends with an S. Bois un coca. Bois, B-O-I-S. Mange. So mange with an E. Visite with an E. Fais, F-A-I-S. Essaye, E-S-S-A-I-E. So here, obviously, it's singular form, and this is actually the to form of the verb. The to conjugation. Okay. What is missing? Do we see tu in any of these sentences? Prends, bois, mange, visite, fais, essaye. Nope. Tu is missing. Okay, these are commands. L'impératif is the imperative form. It means a command. So I'm going to write that up here. Command form. Okay, so it's when you tell someone to do something. Have a lemonade, drink a Coke, eat some quiche, visit the Arc de Triomphe, do your homework, try the quiche. Okay, so here, this when you're telling someone to do something, we don't say you in English. We say, come with me, sit down, stand up, do your homework, eat your dinner. Okay, so we don't use the tu in English either. The you is missing. Alright, let's look here. Prenez, buvez, mangez, visitez, faites, essayez. What form of the verb is that? That is the vous form. And what is missing? The vous. Okay? So, in other words, the subject is missing. So, y'all eat a crepe, drink a water, have a lemonade, do your homework, visit the Sainte-Chapelle, try the quiche. Okay, so this is the vous form when I'm talking to more than one person, or I'm being formal, and we leave out the subject. Even in English, when you tell someone to do something, you don't say, hey, you sit down. We just say, hey, sit down. Alright, this is what form? Prenons, buvons, mangeons, visitons, faisons, essayons. This is the new form. But what's missing? The nous. It is missing. We don't use the subject. Okay? So, how do you conjugate a verb in the imperative? If you're talking to one person, use the tu form of the verb. If you're talking to more than one person, use the vous form of the verb. If you're suggesting something, including yourself, use the nous form of the verb. So we always includes you and someone else. In English, this form translates to let's do whatever. Alright? So if you look back up here, let's have a coffee, let's drink a tea, let's eat a hot dog, let's visit the Louvre, let's have a picnic, let's try a lemon soda. Alright, so we always say let's do whatever it is you're talking about. Alright, what is the one exception or the irregular rule? When putting when you put an ER verb in the command form, you drop the S from the to form. Okay, for example, achète. We're dropping the S off of the tu. Okay. Parle français. So normally tu parles has an S, but in this case we're dropping off the S of the tu form. Étudier. So if we drop off the S on the tu form, we're left with étudie, tes notes. Okay, so you'll notice up here at the top, mange has no S, visite no S, and essay no S. So there's still the tu form, but in the tu form you have to drop off the S. Okay, how do you make a command negative? Let me just move this. To make a command negative, you add ne and pas around the conjugated verb. In other words, around the command. Okay, so mange un sandwich. And notice what we've done here. We have indefinite article, and partitive article, or indefinite as well, partitive. And each time these become de after the negative. So, ne mange pas de sandwich. Un becomes de after a negative. Ne prenez pas de café. After the negative, that un right here becomes de. Alright. Ne faisons pas de ski. So what do these mean? Don't eat any sandwich. Eat a sandwich? Don't eat any sandwich. Have a coffee? Don't have any coffee. Go ski. Let's go skiing. Let's not go skiing. Alright, so we're going to still translate this one a little different. These are any, because don't eat any sandwich, don't drink any coffee, or don't have any coffee. But let's not go skiing. It's still a negative, and this do always becomes der after a negative. Okay, those are our notes. Really short and sweet, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. I hope you enjoy your long weekend. Make sure you take these because we are going to be working with these on Monday. Bon weekend!